Are you feeling confused about which stock advisor is really worth checking out? Well, you're not alone. With so many stock picking services out there, it can be tough to figure out which one actually does what it promises. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, we're going to review the Motley Fool Stock Advisor, one of the most popular stock recommendation services out there. And so in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about it, including what the service offers, its track record, and whether it's really worth your money. So whether you're an experienced investor looking for extra help, or just starting out and trying to build a solid portfolio, stick around because we're going to cover it all. And if at any point you decide to give Motley Fool Stock Advisor a try, you can use the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so first, let's talk about what exactly Motley Fool Stock Advisor is for those of you who might not be familiar with it. Motley Fool Stock Advisor is a subscription-based service that provides stock recommendations, market research, and expert insights meant to help investors make smarter decisions. Founded back in 1993 by brothers Tom and David Gardner, and has grown over the years into one of the most trusted names in the investment world. And so the Stock Advisor service specifically focuses on long-term growth by recommending stocks that the team believes have high potential for future gains. They give you 2 new stock picks every month, along with detailed analysis on why those stocks were chosen. It's a service designed for those who want to take a more active role in managing their investments, but could use some expert guidance along the way. And what's really great about Motley Fool Stock Advisor is that they don't just give you stock tips, they also educate you on the reasons behind each recommendation, so you can learn how to make better investment decisions on your own. And with a track record that includes some pretty impressive picks like Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla, it's clear that they know what they're doing. So if you're someone who's serious about building a strong portfolio, and you're looking for a service that can help guide your investment strategy, then Motley Fool Stock Advisor might just be what you need. So now that we know what they do, let's see how Motley Fool Stock Advisor actually works. When you sign up for the service, you're basically subscribing to get 2 new stock picks each month. And these aren't just random picks. They come with detailed explanations and research from the Motley Fool's team of experts, so you know exactly why they're recommending these stocks. After signing up, you'll get access to the Stock Advisor dashboard, where you can see the latest stock picks, as well as the historical performance of past recommendations. And the dashboard is user-friendly, so even if you're not very good when it comes to technology, you should have no trouble using it. Okay, so one of the cool things about the Stock Advisor service is that they also give you a list of starter stocks, which are a great foundation if you're just starting out. These are stocks that the Motley Fool team believes are essential building blocks for any portfolio, and they're updated regularly to reflect market changes. Now, the Motley Fool is also big on education, so along with the stock picks, you'll also get access to tons of articles, research reports, and even a community of investors where you can ask questions and share insights. And the process of getting started is pretty simple. You sign up on their website, choose your subscription plan, and once that's done, you're in. You'll start receiving stock recommendations in your email, and you can log in anytime to see what's new. And just like with any investment service, there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to investing. But don't worry, the Motley Fool does a great job of breaking things down so you can understand the why behind each stock pick, making it easier for you to make informed decisions. That being said, in terms of their plans and pricing, you've got a few choices depending on what you're looking for, and they all come with a range of features to help you get the most out of your investments. So first up is the Stock Advisor plan, which is their basic plan, and it's perfect for those who want regular stock recommendations to help build a strong investment portfolio. It costs just under $200 a year, and you'll get 2 new stock picks each month. They also provide advice for different risk levels, whether you're cautious, moderate, or aggressive, so you can find what works best for you. It's a great option if you're looking to grow your investments over time. Next, there's the Epic plan, which might be the right choice for you if you're looking for more than just the basics. This plan costs $499 a year and includes everything in the Stock Advisor plan, plus extra stock picks from their other services, like Rule Breakers, Hidden Gems, and Dividend Investor. And you'll also get access to Full IQ, which gives you detailed financial data on lots of companies, and a special stock scoring system called Quant 5Y. It's a bit more advanced and perfect if you want to diversify your investments. Then there's the Epic Plus plan, priced at just under $2,000 a year. This plan includes everything in the Epic plan, but adds even more in-depth research and recommendations. So it's great if you're interested in exploring international markets, trends, or even options trading. For the really serious investors, there's full portfolios at just under $4,000 a year. This plan gives you full access to Tom Gardner's portfolios and extra research on things like cryptocurrency and small cap stocks. It's definitely for those with a larger portfolio who want detailed insights. And if you want the full Motley Fool experience, the Fool One is their top tier service at just under $14,000 a year. This plan gives you access to everything that they offer, plus exclusive events and early access to new tools. It's a big commitment, but if you want it all, this is the plan for you. And lastly, if you're not ready to commit to a full subscription, they also offer individual stock reports for $100 each. This lets you get into a specific stock without signing up for a full plan. And all these plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you sign up and feel like it's not for you, you can easily get your money back. And just to reiterate, if you decide to try out any of these Motley Fool services, you can use the affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Okay, so now that we've covered the plans and pricing, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. Now, one of the reasons Motley Fool Stock Advisor stands out is because of its reliable track record with decades of experience. They've consistently offered stock recommendations that have helped many investors see significant returns. But what really sets them apart is their focus on long-term growth, which can be a huge advantage if you're looking to build a solid portfolio over time. Plus, their user-friendly platform and educational resources make it easier for both beginners and experienced investors to learn about stocks. But like any service, there are a few things to keep in mind. For example, if you prefer a more hands-off approach or lean towards investing in index funds, you might not find as much value in their recommendations. And even though they do offer detailed stock picks, it's important to remember that some picks might not perform as well as others. But the overall benefits and expertise that they provide make them a strong option for those serious about investing. So wrapping up this review, is the Motley Fool Stock Advisor worth it? Well, that really depends on what you're looking for as an investor. If you're serious about growing your investments and want expert advice with a proven track record, Motley Fool Stock Advisor could be a big help, as they focus on finding stocks that are likely to grow over time, and many investors trust their recommendations. And so if you're interested in giving Motley Fool Stock Advisor a try, you can choose a plan that best fits your needs. Whether you're just starting out or want more detailed insights, there's likely an option that will work for you. Anyway, so that's all for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you do decide to try any of these Motley Fool services, you can use the affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts or questions in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. And finally guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.